Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to find a trending sounds on TikTok so you can boost your content and stay ahead of the curve. And here's how to do it. First, scroll your For You page. If you hear something sound multiple times, that's a strong trend clue. Then here tap the sound name at the bottom of any video. Then hit use this sound or add to favorites. Then use the TikTok search bar and type trending sounds or browse hashtag trending sounds. Filter by this week for the freshest ones. Then go to the TikTok Creative Center online or you can search it on your Google. It shows a real-time trending audio by country and category. Then lastly, check a popular creator pages. They often use a trending sounds early to go viral. And that's how you find a trending sounds on TikTok, just a few taps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.